Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel CAD CAE Master. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, welcome to part 2 session of how to become a CAE engineer. Let's get started with this. Well, now to become a CAE engineer as a fresher, the first thing we need to know what are the career options with respect to the domains in CAE, right? So before that, we do need to know what are the CAE domains, right? Well, we'll see that. So in CAE, we have the NVH analysis, we have the durability analysis domain, crash optimization, multi-body dynamics, thermal analysis, CFD. So these are all the different domains. A single person can't achieve the expertise in each and every domains. There are some people who can do multiple, but as a fresher, you can focus on any of these divisions. So depending upon your interest, you can choose. So I suggest NVH, durability and optimization are the best suited for the beginners, the fresh graduates. They can just use these domains to become expertise in them. Well, let's see some example here. When it comes to durability analysis, so these are the few domain, tools and physics. So when it comes to domain, in the durability we have the fatigue life prediction, where we use the ANSYS mechanical, abacus, Naston tools. Yeah. So what is the physics behind it? To deal with the fatigue life of models, stress analysis we do, strain analysis also we do, and the material behavior also we see here. The creep, fracture mechanics and the structural durability, same thing, we have the tools and the physics behind it. Well, now when it comes to the optimization domain, we have the shape optimization, topology optimization, free size, free shape, okay, and the sensitivity and the multi-objective optimization. So we mainly focus with the OptiStruct for the topology and the shape optimization, very important. We do also use SolidWorks Cosmos for the part level optimizations. The physics behind it, the material science, the solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, yeah. So elastic theories, material modeling, optimization theory we should know, yeah. So these are all the things we should know before getting into this domain. Yeah, similarly we do have the crash here. So when it comes to crash, we do need to know these are all the things, at least with domain wise. Let's say you're into the bumper domain, you need to know how exactly the bumper domain will work, the front impact will work, yeah. The seat analysis, the occupant safety we should know, then the rooftop crash, side impact, the front impact, door trim impact, okay. So these are the few analysis which we do when it comes to crash. So you need to have the expertise in this domain. So this is highly competitive at the moment in the market. So as a fresher, it's quite difficult to get into this domain, but starting with these NVH, durability and optimizations, so you can even grab this opportunity in future. Well, so now we know about the basics of few domains. Now the question is how to start as a fresher. So these are the domains where you can't start your career as a fresher. That is for sure. You should know the basic tools like the explicit solvers or OptiStruct radios, the modeling tools like ANSYS, HyperWorks, the Alta HyperWorks, So these all things you should know. Now let's see how we can just set up our priorities and the goals to start your career as a fresher. So that will be continued in the next session. Stay tuned. Thank you. See you in the next session. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.